Hello YouTube. This is a 1990 Chevrolet pickup. We just replaced the gauges from the Moonies, as people call it, to the needles. We don't have the tach hooked up. I don't know if you can hear the engine running or not, but the brake light's on because obviously the emergency brake's set. From 60, 70, and 80, it's really bright because we put a super bright LED in there to make the needle look bright. We've got the case or the cover off so I can show you this. So we go up, it starts getting bright, gets super bright all the way to 80. Yeah, look at that. Gets dim. If we can do this in colors, that'd be awesome. But we thought that was pretty cool, how it just gets bright like that. And do that on special effects on some of the others here. Now that just kind of kills it. But anyway, yep, we had a few problems for the install. Kept blowing fuses. Of course, that's my fault. I was sandwiching the gauges against the circuit board like a dumbass. Anyway, yep, it's all good.